You guys, hi. I'm Gabrielle. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be just putting on a headband wig. I'm laughing, y'all, because I used the product when installing this unit and I really like it. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna get into that just a little bit later, but I do want to let you guys know this is from LUVMEHAIR company. They sent me this wig. It's a headband wig. Like I said, it's 20 inches and it's kinky straight. And you guys, if you've been watching some of my videos, you've been with me for some time, you know that I like kinky straight. I didn't at first, but it just switched like that, and you know, I love it. I love it. So I'm really glad that I got this headband wig because I cut my hair, and guys, there's not a lot you can do when your hair is not done other than put on a hat. So this is coming in handy for me. I'm definitely keeping this. Y'all not about to see it on my hair page where I sell my wigs at. It's not gonna be on there. But yeah, I'm really glad that I got this, and I wanted to do something else other than just putting it all the way up in a messy bun or a ponytail or some braids. I went ahead and put on this scarf, and I just feel like I'm ready to go run some errands, get some stuff done, you know? Okay, but nah, it's really simple to install this. You guys probably already seen a bunch of videos from everybody else and their mama installing these headband wigs. They're just very convenient when you're on the go, your hair is jacked up, and you need to throw something on, and you don't got time to lace, whatever. This is gonna come in real handy. So anyways, like I mentioned before, I had used a product that I haven't really used before. I tried a different type of product that is similar to this, but I didn't try this exact product. And this is from Ibn, and it's the Edge Tamer Edge Control, and the color brown. Hey guys, I don't know what's going on, but my edges are like fine, really fine, more fine than normal. So I was like, let me go ahead and try this one because I had it in my drawer, and let me show you the other one that I had. Okay, so this was the other product that I had previously used, and it is basically just a stick. I didn't really like this so much. It got the job done, I guess, but it was just very hard to use, whereas, whereas this one was very soft, and this one was like really hard. This one's more like a soft, thicker gel type of consistency, and this is more like a flyaway edge stick, whatever, like that. Okay, you guys get what I'm saying. So anyways, when I used this, yeah, I actually like it. I don't know how it's gonna hold up in the heat or whatever. I'm gonna let you guys know. It'll probably be in the comment section where I'm gonna pin it, or it's gonna be in the description box. Nonetheless, it's gonna be down below. I'm gonna let you guys know how it is throughout the day. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all out in the next one. Bye. You guys, I wanted to come back and let you guys see me in a different outfit and it all down. You can literally wear this all down, and I feel like it's super cute. I don't know if it's because like kinky straight is now one of my favorite textures, but I just freaking love this look. I would wear it out, probably like with another headband or whatever, more fancier, if I'm like really going out, like maybe a little date with my husband or something like that. But I really like this. I really do. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like all down. So now I'm gonna be out. You guys enjoy the video. Bye.